Hello, everyone. Welcome to Friday Facts. Hope you had a great week. It is 10:11, and we are here to tell you the best news of the week is there's no bad news. We also have some news about the Christmas party.
Yep, the Christmas party is going to be on December 12th at the Yard House. It's going to be at 6:30 p.m. Go ahead and put it on your calendar. Tanya will be sending out a formal invitation, and please RSVP so we know how many heads we got.
That's a Thursday, so tell your spouse. Thursday, December 12th is when the Christmas party is. It's going to be in the evening. Another thing is jackets. Jackets are officially in. They're being embroidered, so the guys are actually a little ahead. So, guys, we should have our coats in about a week. Ladies, you should have yours in about 2 weeks. So, us guys are going to stay toasty a little sooner.
Yeah.
Clinical facts?
Yep, clinical facts. So catheter to vein ratio, the cutoff is you don't want your catheter to be more than 45% of the vein. But ideally, we should be around 33%, 1/3 of the vein. The SiteRite 6 is going to be a little limited as far as measuring goes, but if you have a SiteRite 8 or a SiteRite 9 and you don't know how to measure your vein, please reach out to me so that you know how to do that.
Alternative sites. If you have a patient who has renal disease, please avoid placing a line in their arm. Always refer that patient to get a central line or a small bore IJ. Realize that we have someone on call, a clinical specialist, clinical lead, every day who can come help you out, get your observations, and get you checked off at placing those alternative sites.
Yeah. Yeah. We have the ability to do the right thing for all of our patients. So let's take advantage of that. One thing I do want to say, in the same vein as catheter to vein ratio, is we have this lovely product. It's the Diffusix 22 gauge.
Yeah.
It's going to give you 18 gauge performance while also not occupying the same amount of space as an 18 gauge.
It's just better that you can put in a 22 and have the same flow rates. For us, we love it. It's the right choice. Better technology equals better results.
Yeah.
Also, in Lines app, this is coming straight from the boss, Tanya. Please, by all means, make sure that you're filling out everything on the Lines app. We can adjust lines so that there's a hard stop so that you can't move forward, but we don't really want to do that. We would prefer just everyone make sure you're checking every box. So if it's in the Basilic, put the Basilic. Make sure you're just selecting everything every single time, as well as making sure you get your MRN and birthdays.
Yeah. Yeah. Just fill it out as much as you can.
Trivia.
So last week it was Wes, right?
No, it was Brent.
Brent. Okay, so Brent was the winner. The answer to the length of the guide wire for your MST kits is 50 centimeters. We had some 70s, which that's the answer for central lines. So if you're doing a central line, that is a 70 centimeter catheter. And this week's question. All right, so it's going to be 3 things that you got to know. And it is what are the 3 parts of Virchow's triad? Virchow's triad is the 3 components of what is going on when people are developing clots. 2 of them are controllable by us. So you might have to Google this, but it's what are the 3 parts of the Virchow's triad?
And since it's 3, it's going to be the third caller with the correct answer. Remember, how do you get your answers to us? You text the answers individually at our orders number. What's our orders number, guys? I'm not going to tell you. You have to look it up.
Yeah.
Just kidding. It's 404-490-0072. It's 404-490-0072.
And don't respond to the group.
Don't respond to the group.
Yep.
Hope you have a great weekend, guys. See ya.
Happy weekend.